Hello, I'm Mark Turn from thesolution2.com. Today we talk about the strong decision-making process. The strong decision-making is a straightforward process to clear your mind and take your decision. STRONG is an acronym that stands for S. State the issue. What's the problem? What do you have to decide? Why do you have to take this decision? Focus on your issue and write down your answers. T. Think about the options. Take time for brainstorming and think all the options could help you your decision. Write them down. R. Rate the consequences. For each option, rate the consequences. A 1 to 10 rate will do. How that option will help you. How it will lead you away from your goals. Sometimes an option will fix one thing but ruin another. O. Organize your thoughts. Focus on the options and the consequences. Can you combine some options to improve their rating and reduce risks or undesired outcomes? More often than not, this will lead to better options. And narrow down the possibilities. Cut out the weaker options and repeat the organize your thoughts step on the remaining ones. Go until you have your single final option. This is your decision. G. Go over your decision. Have a final thought on pros, cons, risks. Then focus on the first tiny step to make it happen. And do that little step as soon as possible. Make your decisions, change your world.